2000 gsxr 600 with a start shut symptom. Okay, also has no cluster, nothing registering on the cluster, which I'll be visiting at a different time. Let's see where we go from here. Prop the tank up because the bike's been sitting outside for quite some time, and unfortunately water does enter through here when they sit outside. Even though it's sealed, it's still vented and water does get through them. So let's just double check here. Let's fuel line off real quick. Clear bucket, clear, empty. Let's see what we got. Yep. Tank full of water. Separation. Make sure if you leave your bike outside in the weather, you cover that tank cover good, because water does get in there.